Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to set up Twitch alerts on OBS 2024. So let's go to the Streamlab first. Go streamlabs.com dashboard and open your OBS and minimize it. After go to Streamlabs, you can see here alert box. Click on this alert box. Now you can see here this widget URL. You have to copy this one. Just click on this and you will find copy option. Click on copy and go to browser. Go to this OBS and you have to click on this plus icon. In the sources option, you can see the plus icon. Click on this and choose browser. Now you have to click on OK. Now you can see here the URL. You have to remove this URL and you have to paste the URL what you have copied from there. After that you have to click on OK, and now if you click on test Streamlabs, this one, you can see that it is working here. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.